Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. Today, we're diving into the tropical vibes of palm trees. Whether you're looking to bring a slice of paradise to your balcony or your garden, growing a palm tree in a container can be incredibly rewarding. But to keep these stunning plants thriving, we need to talk about one of nature's best secrets: chicken manure. Dating back centuries, chicken manure has served as a tried and true organic fertilizer in agricultural practices across various cultures and regions. Its benefits are highly revered for promoting soil health, enriching plant growth, and effectively sustaining crop yields throughout generations. The use of chicken manure as a natural fertilizer is deeply rooted in traditional farming methods, demonstrating a deep respect for the land and a sustainable approach to nurturing crops. Its long history of enhancing soil fertility and improving agricultural sustainability showcases the timeless wisdom and effectiveness of this organic resource. Now, let's delve into the significance of using composted chicken manure in your gardening routine. This nutrient-rich organic fertilizer is a powerhouse when it comes to nourishing your plants. With high levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, chicken manure provides essential elements that are vital for the optimal growth and health of your palm tree. These nutrients work together to ensure your palm tree receives the proper nourishment it needs to thrive, resulting in lush foliage and vibrant green leaves that will enhance the beauty of your plant. By incorporating composted chicken manure into your gardening routine, you are not only providing your plants with the necessary nutrients for their growth, but also contributing to the sustainability and health of your garden ecosystem. Timing is key when it comes to fertilizing your palm trees for optimal growth and health. It is crucial to consider your specific climate when determining the best times to fertilize. In regions with a temperate climate, such as many parts of the United States, early spring and early fall are ideal times to apply fertilizer to your palm trees. This typically falls around the months of March and October for most regions. During these times, your palm tree is actively growing and in need of additional nutrients to support its growth and development. By fertilizing in early spring, you can provide the necessary nutrients to support new frond growth and encourage a healthy root system. Fertilizing in early fall helps prepare your palm tree for the upcoming winter months by providing a boost of nutrients for improved cold tolerance. Fertilizing during these key times will ensure that your palm tree receives the maximum benefit from the added nutrients, resulting in lush, vibrant foliage and overall improved health. Avoid fertilizing during the dormant fall and winter months, as the palm tree won't utilize the nutrients and it could lead to nutrient burn. And always use composted chicken manure. Raw manure can be too strong and potentially harm your plants. Composting it for at least 6 months will ensure it's nutrient-rich and safe. With a hand shovel, gently begin to loosen the compacted soil surrounding the base of your palm tree. Be cautious not to disrupt the intricate network of roots that have diligently anchored the tree into the earth. With each carefully calculated movement, the soil begins to breathe as pockets of air are introduced through the aeration process. Once the soil is soft and pliable, it is time to enhance its quality by incorporating nutrient-rich composted chicken manure. Sprinkle the composted chicken manure evenly around the base of the palm tree, avoiding direct contact with the trunk. This helps prevent any burn or damage and provide essential nutrients to the roots and promotes healthy growth. However, it is crucial to avoid direct contact with the trunk to prevent any burn or damage. Direct contact with the trunk can lead to rot and disease, ultimately harming the overall health of the palm tree. By taking care to sprinkle the manure evenly and away from the trunk, you can ensure that your palm tree thrives and remains strong and vibrant. Next, carefully combine the rich nutrient-dense chicken manure with the soil, ensuring that it is thoroughly mixed to create a well-balanced growing medium for your palm tree. The organic matter in the manure will provide essential nutrients to the plant, promoting healthy growth and strong root development. Be sure to evenly distribute the manure throughout the soil to maximize its benefits and create a fertile environment for your plant. Keep in mind, properly mixing the chicken manure with the soil is crucial for achieving optimal results in cultivating healthy and thriving palm tree. After applying the fertilizer, it is important to water the area thoroughly to ensure that the nutrients are able to effectively penetrate the soil and reach the roots of the plant. This step is crucial in promoting healthy root development and maximizing the benefits of the fertilizer. By watering the area thoroughly, you are helping to activate the nutrients, allowing them to be absorbed by the roots and promoting optimal growth and overall plant health. Now, let's take the next step by adorning our container with some exquisite shells, carefully collected from our favorite beach trips. As we delicately place them onto the surface of our container, they instantly infuse the space with a coastal vibe, invoking memories of sandy shores and soothing ocean waves. The shells not only add a decorative touch, but also bring a sense of tranquility and natural beauty into our surrounding. Their organic textures and iridescent hues create a harmonious blend, making our space feel like a serene oasis. The gentle rustling sound they create when touched gently by hand enhances the overall sensory experience, further immersing us in a sea-inspired ambiance. By transforming our plain container into a stunning masterpiece, adorned with these seaside treasures, we have not only showcased our creativity, but also expressed our deep love for the ocean. The end result is a visually captivating piece that stands out with its intricate details and charming aesthetic. And there you have it. Fertilizing your palm tree with composted chicken manure is a rewarding way to support its health and beauty. Remember to observe your tree's response to the fertilizer and adjust your feeding schedule accordingly to maintain optimal growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your palm tree journey in the comments below. Until next time, happy organic gardening.